Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 10, subject mathematics, chapter name finite series, exercise 13.1, lecture 2. In my previous lecture, I had already discussed about some formula and some theorems. So today's lesson, to solve the problems. Now follow the problem 15, because 1 up to 14 we had already completed in my first lecture. Okay, the sum of first 10 terms of the series 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus dot 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 is minus 144. Find the value of n. Here given sum of first n terms of this series is minus 144. We have to find the value of n. Now follow the solution. Here given the series 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus dot 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 up to n. First term a equal to 9. Common difference 7 minus 9, 5 minus 7, this equal to minus 2. And sum of first n term, that's mean Sn, this equal to minus 144. But we know sum of first n term, this equal to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d for arithmetic series. As common difference is same, so the series is arithmetic. So we can write Sn this equal to this. But Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to minus 144. Okay, we know this. So according to question will be minus 144, this equal to this. Now follow the calculation. Here a is equal to 9, d is equal to minus 2. Just putting the value of a and d. So here will be 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. This equal to 18 minus 2n plus 2, and here n by 2, 20 minus 2n. Now we can take here common 2. As a result, 2 and this 2 cut, here will be n into 10 minus n. Clear everyone? So according to question, n into 10 minus n, this equal to minus 144. Now follow the next slide. N into 10 minus n, this equal to minus 144. Calculation here 10n minus n square. This convert into left side, here will be plus 144, right side will be 0. Now we can take common minus, here will be n square minus 10n minus 144, this equal to 0. Now n square minus 10n minus 144, this equal to 0. Here middle factor minus 18n, here will be plus 8 minus 144, n common, n minus 18 plus 8 common, n minus 18 equal to 0, or n into n minus 18 minus into n plus 8, this equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to minus 8 plus 18, but number of term cannot be negative, so n is equal to minus 8 is not acceptable. Therefore the required value of n is 18. So answer will be 18. Clear everyone? Same math in your book, question number 16. Okay, here sum of first n terms is equal to 2550 of the series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Find the value of n. Okay, same math. 19 number problem. If the sum of 12 terms of an arithmetic series is 144 and first 20 terms is 560, find the sum of first 6 terms. Very easy. Here we have to let first term this equal to a, common difference this equal to d. Given that sum of first 12 terms of the series s12, this equal to 144, but s12 this equal to, we know, 12 by 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d, this equal to 144. Here 12 by 2, this equal to 6, or here 2a plus 11d, this equal to 144. Just calculation. Here this formula is used here. Okay, therefore 2a 144 divided by 6, this equal to 24. Therefore 2a this equal to 24 minus 11d. This is equation number 1. Okay, and sum of first 20 terms of the series, this also given 560, but S20 this equal to, we can write 20 divided by 2 into 2a plus 20 minus 1 into d, this equal to 560, or 10 into 2a plus 19d, this equal to 560, or 2a plus 19d, this equal to 56, or 24 minus 11d plus 19d, this equal to 56, or 18d, this equal to 56 minus 24, or 8d, this equal to 32. Therefore d is equal to 4. Now putting the value of d in 1, so from 1 we get 2a this equal to 24 minus 11 into 4. After calculating, we will get 2a is equal to minus 20, or a is equal to minus 20 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to minus 10. Therefore sum of first 6 terms of the series, that's mean S6, this is equal to 6 by 2 into 2a, a is equal to minus 10 plus 6 minus 1 into dt, this is equal to 4. 6 divided by 2, this is equal to 3, here minus 20, and here 5 minus 1, 6 minus 1, this is equal to 5, 5 into 4, this is equal to plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20, this is equal to 3 into 0, this is equal to 3. Therefore required answer will be 0. Clear everyone? Follow the math, you can easily solve 20 numbers same. Sum of first m terms of arithmetic series is n, and n term is m. Find the sum of first m plus n terms. But previous was, we had find 6 terms. They are given 12 terms, sum of 12 terms and sum of 20 terms. But here is given sum of m terms and sum of n terms. Okay, we have to find the value of m plus n. Clear? Now follow another example number 6. Rashid deposits taka 1200 from his salary in the first month, and in every month of subsequent months he deposited taka 100 more than the previous month. Okay, express the aforesaid problem as a series up to n terms. How much does he deposit is the 18th month, and how much does he deposit in first 18 months. That's mean here only we have to find the deposit 18 month, but first sum of first 8 here in first 18 months mean from first month to 18 months. That's mean we have to find here sum, but here is only we'll find the 18th term. Okay, deposit taka in 18 month. How many years does he need to deposit taka this? Now follow the solution. That's mean one number. As per the question, first term of the arithmetic series a is equal to 1200, common difference d is equal to 100. Therefore second term will be 1200 plus 100, this equal to 1300. Third month or third term, this equal to 1300 plus 10, 0, that's mean 100, this equal to 1400. Therefore the series up to n term is 1200 plus 1300 plus 1400 plus dot 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 plus up to n. This is a required answer. Okay, and 2 number, we know n term, this equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. As we have to find the deposit in 18 month, so we have to put n is equal to 18. Okay, so a plus 18 minus 1 into d, but a is equal to 1200, and here 17 into dd, this equal to 100. After calculating this, we will get 2900 taka. This is a deposit in the 18th month. Again summation of first n terms, this equal to n divided by 2, this into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 18 divided by 2, and here 2 into 1200, because a is equal to 1200 plus n mean 18 minus 1 into d, this equal to 100. After calculating this, we will get 36900. So here will be answer 2. One is this and another one is this. Okay, and finally 3 number, let he needs n months to deposit taka this. According to the question, n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this equal to this. This is a given condition, and we know this is formula sum of first n term of an arithmetic series as common difference term. So this is arithmetic series, so we can use this formula. Okay, now n by 2 into 1200, a is equal to 1200, n minus 1 into 100, d is equal to this equal to this. After calculating, here we will get 100 n square plus 2300 n minus 212400, this equal to 0, or n square plus 23 n minus 2124, this equal to 0, or n square plus 59 n minus 36 n minus 2124, this equal to 0, or n into n plus 59 into n minus 36, this equal to 0, but n is equal to minus 59 is not acceptable, or n is equal to 36. Therefore, required time 36 months or 3 years. We can use 36 months or 3 years as you like best, no problem. Okay, so the student, you can solve 15 up to 24 left all, because different kinds of math we have already discussed. So everybody will easily solve 15 up to 24 is okay, left all, and submit the copy in the group. And any one of you, if there's problem, you can share with me, no problem. Date of submission 6/5/2021, time 11 AM. Today up to this, thank you to all everyone.